Hey yo guys, Marlon King here. In this week's video I'm going to be doing a quick video comparison between the different modes on the Sony A6500. Now this video is going to appeal more to people that are researching this camera, considering purchasing it, or if you're just interested in what the difference in quality is between 4K and 1080p. I'm going to be doing a side-by-side of the same footage, so I filmed each thing 3 times with the camera on a tripod, so you can kind of get an idea of general purpose footage. Now, a note, I haven't left the camera wide open on an f8 or anything like that, so it's not going to be crystal sharp. What I've done is I'm using my Sigma 30mm lens at f1.4. Everyone likes the bokeh effect, so this is typically how I'm using the camera. And with that, does it actually make a difference? Is the 1080p that bad, what some people are saying? I personally don't think so, but let's look at the footage and find out. Crikey, I almost killed myself using that skateboard. I haven't skated in years. Anyway, let's move on to the next scene, sunset. Finally, the next scene was shot at the Mexican Independence Day in London. I've made a video about it, don't forget to check it out. And this was inside. It was literally stage lighting only, and it's of the mariachis. Right guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Let us know in the comments below what you thought the differences were. I personally think the slow motion is really good, and I think the 4K is exceptional quality. I'm probably going to be using a mixture of downscaling to 1080p and also using 4K mode, so I'm really happy with this camera. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for future videos, guys. Have a good week, and I'll catch you same time next time. Peace.